In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Instagram Web on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Instagram website. You can do that by typing Instagram into the address bar or by entering the web address directly and loading the page. Wait for the Instagram homepage to fully open before moving on. This makes sure Chrome recognizes the site properly when you create the shortcut. After Instagram is open in Chrome, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You will see the 3 vertical dots that open the Chrome menu. Click those dots to open the menu. From there, move your pointer over the option labeled Save and Share. This will expand another menu with more actions you can take for the current website. In that menu, select Create Shortcut. When you click it, a small setup window will appear. In that window, you will see an option that says Open as Window. Make sure to check that box before creating the shortcut. This is important because it allows Instagram to open in its own separate window, which gives it a cleaner and more app-like look. It also helps reduce distractions from other tabs and browser controls, which can make the experience feel more organized. Once the Open as Window box is checked, click Create. Chrome will then generate the shortcut for Instagram Web. Depending on your computer and settings, the shortcut may appear on your desktop, in your apps list, or in another easy-to-access location. The next time you want to use Instagram, you can launch it directly from that shortcut instead of opening Chrome and navigating to the website again. If you want the smoothest experience, you can also keep that shortcut in a convenient place, such as your desktop or taskbar, so it is always easy to find. That way, Instagram Web is just one click away whenever you need it. That covers everything you need to know.